Let's talk about wireless security. One of the most commonly used wireless protocols that provide security is Wi-Fi Protected Access 2, or WPA2. WPA2 is an encrypted security protocol to secure most Wi-Fi networks, and it is a second generation or the second generation of the Wi-Fi Protected Access Security Protocol. It has become the standard Wi-Fi security protocol for Wi-Fi networks since its introduction in 2004. Here are some critical points about WPA2. Enhanced security. WPA2 addresses earlier flaws and offers a more robust encryption than its predecessor, WPA, Wi-Fi Protected Access. Unique encryption keys. When enabled, WPA2 provides unique encryption keys for each wireless device connecting to the network. This makes it much safer to connect to Wi-Fi. Backward compatibility. WPA2 is backward compatible with WPA, which means it can work with older versions that support WPA. AES encryption. WPA2 uses Advanced Encryption Standard, AES, which I will discuss in the next slide, for more robust security. AES is a military-grade cipher that ensures data protection. WPA3. While WPA2 is still widely used, an updated version called WPA3 was ratified in January of 2019. WPA3 implements several security improvements over WPA2 and is now mandatory for official Wi-Fi Alliance certification. WPA2 provides strong encryption and access control for Wi-Fi networks, making it a crucial component of secure wireless communications. The Advanced Encryption Standard, AES, also known by its original name, Ringdale, is a specification for the encryption of electronic data. It was established by the United States National Institute of Standards and Technology, NIST, in 2001. AES is widely used for securing sensitive information and communications over computer networks. Here are some key points about AES. Symmetric encryption. AES is a symmetric key algorithm, meaning the same key is used for both encryption and decryption of data. The key is kept secret and shared only between authorized parties. Block cipher. AES operates on a fixed size block of data, usually 128 bits. It transforms plain text into ciphertext using a series of substitution, transposition, and mixing operations. Key lengths. AES supports 3 different key lengths. AES 128, which uses a 128-bit key and undergoes 10 rounds of encryption. AES 192, which uses a 192-bit key and undergoes 12 rounds of encryption. And the most secure AES 256, which uses a 256-bit key and undergoes 14 rounds of encryption. Security. AES is considered highly secure. It attacks faster than brute force. However, it's theoretically possible, but not practically feasible with today's computers. Quantum computing methods could potentially break AES in the future. Government adoption. AES supersedes the older data encryption standard DES and has been adopted by the US government. It became effective as a US federal government standard in 2002. AES is a robust encryption algorithm used to protect sensitive data, secure communications, and ensure privacy in various applications.